Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install code blocks on your laptop or desktop. So let's get started our video. Before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, first of all, open your browser, any kind of browser, then go to search bar and type code blocks. Just type code blocks and search it. Wait here for a few moments guys. After that you get a option on the top here, code blocks. Just click it, and now look at this. This is official code blocks website and you can download from here. So go to this download option here, tap it, and you will show you that here have a 4 option: download for binary release, download a netlib build, download the source code, download source code for SVN. So in this 4 format you can download code blocks, but I will recommend you should download this option for binary release. So just click it. Guys, wait here for a few moments. I will select download the binary release. And guys, after that you get an option for download. There have all format is code blocks is here. All version here have old version and this is new version. And if you want to download the new version code blocks, then go to here, and there have a 2 website, Focus Hub or sourceforget.net. You can download from any website, but I will show, or I will download from Focus Hub. And wait here. Look at this, it's downloading now. It's 35.7 MB. Okay guys, wait here for few moments. Okay guys, after finished your download, then open your exe file. Okay, then click your exe file and then select yes. And now you should set up. I minimize my browser, and after that you should select next option here. Okay, then you should I agree button from here, and then everything is marked here, and then tap on next option, and after that you should select install. And guys, now your code block is installing. Wait here for a few moments, and after finished they notify you, so you should wait for a few moments. And after that you get the option, do you want to run code blocks now? I select no, and then I will get a next option here. Just tap on this next option, and then you should select finish. And finally your code block is installed on your device. Go to this Windows button and you will here have showing code blocks, or you can search here code blocks, then you get here code blocks, and now it's open. Wait here for a few moments, then select OK, and then again select OK. Look at this, now your code block is installed finally, and now you can use. So now you can use everything from here. So guys, in this way you can download and install code block very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.